The ServiceNow Insurance Claims application simplifies and enhances the entire claims process with a flexible claims framework. It is designed to streamline the end-to-end flow for any type of claim. This framework allows organizations to create and configure a claims workflow. Let's see how this framework operates through a typical claims process. A customer reports a claim, and a first notice of loss representative collects the initial information like policy details, claim participants, loss details, and documents related to the claim incident. Select policy, add claim participants, and submit claim are constant across different lines of business. Incident details and upload documents can be configured to meet specific business needs. After selecting the policy, the representative selects Add Claim Participant and can then select from existing policy participants or add a new participant. They click the Type drop-down menu and select Person. Because the representative is selecting from existing policy participants, they can click the search icon to input pre-existing information into the fields. The representative specifies the claim participant's relationship to the insured individual and saves the claim participant details. Next, the representative selects the Participant Roles tab to specify the role the participant had in the claim incident. They click New and then select the role of the participant, in this case as the claimant, and then save the role. The representative continues to the Incident Details section and adds information related to the claim. They select the loss type, add the claimant associated with each claim, and save each incident. Next, they continue to the Upload Documents page, where they can upload any important documents like proof of identity or receipts. The representative selects Continue to move on to the Submit Claim page, where they can provide any additional comments or information. After the claim is submitted, the system assigns it to a processor group based on severity and creates adjuster tasks. On the Claims Processor landing page, claims processors can view an overview of claims, track their progress and pending tasks, and create tasks for adjusters and ensure their work through to completion. They can also select the list icon to view open, closed, and assigned cases and tasks. The claims processor selects the new incident claim assigned to them to view its details, like the claim summary, customer information, task SLAs, tasks, and interactions or communications about the claim. From the Claim Summary tab, the claims processor can also view adjuster tasks. The claims adjuster works on adjuster tasks to evaluate claims, approve reserve and payment amounts, and settle payments. From the claims adjuster landing page, they can view an overview of all claims and pending tasks similar to the claims processor landing page. They can also view all tasks and cases from the list view. The claims adjuster selects the incident claim and can view the same claim information as the claims processor. The adjuster opens the first adjuster task and can view the claim workspace, claim summary, and task SLAs. They need to submit the document verification tasks, so they select the first document verification task to open it. Under Document Information, they select the corresponding document type, click Submit, and then Verify. The claims adjuster repeats this process for the other tasks adjuster assigned to them. The claims adjuster can also add coverages to reserve how much money to pay for a claim, as well as define how much money to eventually pay upon settlement. The claims adjuster clicks Settle and can choose to approve or deny the claim. They must also enter comments relating to their decision. If reserve or payment amounts exceed an adjuster's authority limit, they go through an approval process with a claims manager. Managers have their own landing pages where they can see an overview of claims, tasks, and pending approvals. The insurance claims application supports these various user roles with tailored workspaces and easily handles complexities like multiple adjusters or dynamic claim details. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.